replace all these sound effects with you making the sounds with your mouth. Do it. I command thee to do it.
Bing.
It's perfect. It's perfect. Lixian. I'm assuming that you exactly did what I hoped for.
Bling, 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 bling. Boing, 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 bing, boing, bing, dong. Yay.
Holy shit! What? Does this actually happen? I have to go get aluminum foil and try this. I don't actually have any where I am right now. I'm not where I am right now. I highly doubt that if you were to actually do this, that it would turn out to such a mirror shine like this. I hope you're still making the sound effects. Just reuse if you don't feel like going the distance. I thought you wanted these videos to be high quality. I thought that maybe, you would really lay it all on the line for the quality of the video. It really is relying on you. All of this is relying on you. That is a quality knife. This is a great... Lixian, please sing All Around Me Are Familiar Faces. Mad World. You know the one.
Oh my god. All around me are familiar.
But also make the piano your voice as well. And if you didn't do it before, now redo it. Now. Leave what you did before already and do it. Please. I'm sorry you don't have to do it. I'm sorry.
All around
You don't have to
me
do
are familiar faces. Worn.
You better be doing it then. No thanks. Alright, this was super fun and everything. I am